Good morning all. Sorry for the late bulletin. We'd normally do it a little bit earlier, but I had so many messages to contend with. I think I had about 7 messages this morning, so I'm just replying to those, so that's why the bulletin's a bit late. So apologies for that. We're a little bit mixed on the Euro USD, so just so you're aware, the herd are now selling on an intraday basis. So be careful, we're quite mixed. We've got like a mixed score, 4 out of 11. I would probably avoid this if possible. Risk calculation. The technicals dumped quite a bit. We're 36 out of 100, and we're looking at all these instruments here, and we saw that the dollar rose. The VIX also did we? Yeah, we rallied a bit on the VIX, and the Treasury yields also rallied. The Russell 2000 really dumped. So it was quite a heavy day for the 2000 index, and we also fell on the Dow Jones and the S&P. I think this here is going to be quite great by tomorrow because they're going quite long. The herd are buying the dips, and we don't want them to be doing that. If they buy the dip, price is going to have to fall. It's going to have to punish them, okay? And so that's how we stand now. So this is going to be quite significantly stronger reading tomorrow because they're buying the dips, like I say. So I'll show you what I mean on the FXCM trading station. It's at US 30 on the Dow Jones. So basically they're going long, right? If they buy, we'll have to see price fall, and that's the direct correlation there. It couldn't be any stronger, really. Like the fact that we crossed the 21 moving average, we broke that sort of break of structure. You could probably argue big dump, they went long, big dump to punish them. If they continue to go long, we'll see more heavy dumps, and we can probably draw a box, maybe actually. Yeah, this is the one. We'll draw a box on this candle. And I've been so busy, I've not even checked the robot. So we'll have to see how we go with the robot. I'm going to make quite a change on the robot for the weekend, for Monday. And it's going to have technical checks in. And now it's kind of unambiguous, the technicals. It's going to be buy or sell based on technical criteria. The sentiment can be a bit funny sometimes, where the herd can get paid sometimes, but the technicals are going to probably be a little bit more reliable. So the robot will be more heavily technical and will add sentiment on top, I think. So this is them going long, so you know, therefore it should fall, right? So this should be a resistance like a supply. And done that one. I can't remember if I've done this one. I've been pretty busy this morning. Did we do this? Oh no, we didn't. But what I was saying in Discord is that this curvature, can you see, over time, and this is what I was saying about retail squeezy. There's not many people left else to destroy. It's destroyed a lot of people on this move. So they're like, well, we're okay now. We're taking a lot of stops, and it looks like it's going to be making a curvature to the upside, and so we're going to fall. And unfortunately, probably what's going to happen that the herd they don't know about the sentiment, and they're going to be looking at levels to be buying. So they'll be probably trying to buy the dip, probably, but we'll have to wait and see. So there's the crossover here, which is this big candle there, the scary looking candle. And come on. There we go. So therefore it's a supply, because I've got long, someone has to take the other side of that trade. And I generally can't remember if we've done DAX. I think I needed more sleep. I think it's bad, isn't it? I can't. My short-term memory is gone today. But yeah, that's fine. So that we can draw a box on DAX. We can. Yeah, this one here. I think. Yeah, this one. And then we'll look at the robot. Yeah, I think this is the candle, more or less. And so you see they went long, price fell, they shorted it, so price come up. So we could theoretically draw a box here actually. And yeah, oops, come on, yeah, that's fine. Oh no, I didn't want to do that one. Where is that box? This here, that's strange. Yeah, this one here. So they'd sold it. We'd come up initially, but it was like, no, I won't bother drawing that box. Actually, there's not much point doing it. So what happened is that they sold it here, and they did get punished by only a small amount, and then they sold it, and now they've gone long. So I won't bother drawing that box there. It's a bit not really any point. We'll just look at the most recent box, and that's that one there, and we'll look at the robot. And it could be doing well, it could be doing poorly. We'll have to wait and see. And so gold, we've got to be a little bit careful because it looks like we're going to be making a buy. So they're selling it against this 21 moving average, and we can draw a box here, can't we? Oh, come on. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's horrible. Alright, let's put this box here. So there's a box within a box. You see the overlap. They sold and then they went long in a short space of time. So I think here, yeah, this one here, I guess. Oh, nice. Okay. Wow. Is it just not going to let me do it? It's great, isn't it? It's really weird. My Wi-Fi is going so slowly yesterday, but then it sped up, but then it went slow again. It was really weird. So we got an interchange, like a double resistance. So, you know, we know that it should probably be falling as well. And we had a strong USD yesterday as well. So, yeah, a bit of resistance there for gold, but we had the heads up on that, didn't we, in Telegram. Let's look at the robot. So what we got AJ long, which doesn't really make sense looking at fundamentals because we're going to be risk off, right? And AN longs as well, which is probably going to be okay. This is probably going to result in an SL stop loss, and this is why I think we're probably going to need technicals in play, because the sentiment can be a little bit iffy, like I said in this video. So sometimes they can get paid, and we don't really want that margin of error. Really, we want to probably rely on something a little bit more concrete. The technicals are going to be more concrete, and the sentiment can be like the layer on the cake. It could be like the icing. So I mean, it might be okay. You know, we might go risk on today. You know, in 45 minutes, indices can probably maybe creep higher. We don't really know for sure. And then this one's going to be okay. But I think we'll probably need to put some technical criteria in the robot just to give it a bit like a bedrock. Then we can build upon that bedrock, can't we? And that's it. So thanks for all the interest in the free trial, and don't forget we've got a few tiers as well. So just to recap, is that this one is Discord only, right? This is just the bulletin only, so that's, you've got the COT data with that one, and this is the FX SSI QDB affiliate scheme, which is the same as the premium but at a discount. So you can do that one if you wanted to, and it's spreadsheet and Discord. So see, there we go, spreadsheet, Discord and signals. So that's it. So I'll wrap up now. Have a good day. Remember to trade safely, and read that document I put into Telegram as well. That's a really important document, the money management tips.